How to increase brightness in Roblox. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about increasing brightness in Roblox. So you can follow these two methods. First of all, open the Roblox game on your computer, or you can go ahead and visit the Roblox website, log into your account, and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Then click on settings from the drop-down menu. Enter a game you'd like to play. Now, once you're in the game, click on the Roblox icon in the top left corner of the screen and then switch to the Settings tab. Increase the graphics quality to maximum. Decrease the other setting as much as possible. You will notice that the game becomes brighter as you make these changes. And for the second method, right click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Look for the Windows HD color settings. Depending on your graphics card, you can adjust the brightness of your PC here. So I hope this helps. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.